Hey guys, it's your girl Mayberry. How you all doing? Hope you're keeping well. Hope you're staying safe out there, and please stay out of trouble. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, please for you. I love you guys. Okay, without taking much of your time, I'm just gonna give you a quick intro on what my channel is all about. On this channel, I do skincare, hair care, DIYs, product review, and of course my lifestyle, like a vlog. Anyways, I just want to use this medium to appreciate you all for the views on my previous video, and I'm making this video to correct few little things that were missing on the previous video. Yeah, I know the video wasn't detailed enough, like I didn't include the antiseptic measurement. A few people were having issues with that. Most people were going ahead just dumping antiseptic in water, why most people were using directly on the face or so. I don't know, because I got some few complaints on my comment section, people saying, oh, I use this stuff, you ruin my face and all those stuff. Like, trust me, if you use the appropriate amount that is meant to be used, trust me, you'll be the one coming back here to thank me. Anyways, I'm just gonna walk you through on the appropriate amount to use, or measurement to use and impute together with water. Okay guys, before I go ahead into the video, please, I just want you to know this antiseptic, this stuff isn't meant to be used directly on your face. Please be careful while using this on your skin. It is only meant for you to add into your bathing water and use to cleanse your maybe any germs or dirt from your body, but it is not meant to be used directly. If not, it's going to burn your skin and you're gonna get an instant skin damage if you use directly on your skin. Just so you know, here I have here with me 200 ml bottle, empty bottle, 200 ml empty bottle. We just little water in it. I just washed it. So here I have 250 ml measuring cup. 250 ml measuring cup. So I'm just going to transfer this into the bottle. So this is a plain clean water in an empty bottle. I probably wanted to use a transparent bottle so you can see clearly what I'm doing. So that's that for that. So I'm just gonna take some antiseptic liquid into the cap, just like that. So I'm just gonna be using few drops. Gonna go ahead and use my cotton pad to apply some on my face right now. This antiseptic mixture with water works for face acne. Do you know sometimes germs, like maybe after you sweat and it not gets to wash your face properly, there's some soap that doesn't really get down to those, to penetrate into your pores to clean those germs that are stuck in there. This can help you do that. This can, if I don't know if you can see the dirt. Yeah, that's it. Can you see amount of dirt? So these are more like an hidden dirt under your skin. This is a solution I do not joke with. I do not joke with the solution at all. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'll go ahead applying. I think on my previous video I made use of the tomato gel. So here today I have the snail gel. People actually underrate this. Yeah, it might be cheap, but it does the work. Seriously, it does the work. Do not joke with this gel. You can use this gel as your facial serum. Like for those that do not like to apply facial cream, you can actually use this as your facial serum to go during the day. Trust me, you have no issue using this. This literally work for a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna read it out to you. It helps you to improve the uncomfortable feeling caused by acne. Also, it helps you to moisturize your skin. It helps to promote healthy and smoothing your skin. It can brighten a dull and shallow skin. So like, I do not joke with this stuff. It's like very affordable. Very affordable. No worries guys, very soon I'm gonna be making a video sharing my skincare routine with you guys, like very affordable skincare routine. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this stuff. I don't wash, like few people were asking me, do I wash the antiseptic off my face? I do not wash it off. There is no harm leaving it on your skin. There is no harm. So I do not think you need to wash it off. No, you do not have to wash it off. I use it with my daughter. I use it morning and night. So next I'm going ahead to apply my facial gel. If you're having acne, having spots and all this stuff, to help you control and get rid of it as well. Sometimes we do not really need to break the bank to get results. All we just need to do is to know and the right product that can work for us. It doesn't need to be too expensive. It does not have to be too expensive. The major purpose is to get results. Not much thing to be used, not much thing to do. And after that, you leave your face to dry off and your way getting rid of acne and facial spots. Trust me guys, do this just for like a week. If you have a serious acne or facial spots, try this for a week. You start seeing visible results in 1 week. Anyways, that is that for that guys. I don't have much to say. It's just a correction video for the previous video a lot of people were having issues with, and that's that. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. More content coming your way. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.